Hello there, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. In this video, we're going to learn all about the product import template. Join me, won't you? Are you looking to import products to your database? Are you looking to import multiple products at once? Maybe even multiple products with variants? It sounds like a lot of tedious manual work, doesn't it? Well, fear not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Odoo's handy and or dandy product import template to make importing products a breeze. Enough chit chat, let's go check it out now. So here we are on the main dashboard. So we're going to use the sales application over here in this example, but you could import product variants with a bunch of different apps. The inventory, manufacturing, and repairs apps all support product imports, for example. Others do too. So go ahead and this time around, we're going to open up our sales application. So this happens to be a fresh database. So we're going to click on products and then products once again. Perfect. So we can see that there are no products associated with the sales application, but that's okay. Our import will add a bunch. So we're going to select our nice little cog right here next to the word products. And then you guessed it, we're going to click import in the dropdown that opened over there. So this takes us to the import screen, complete with handy dandy links to the documentation if we need it, and that's for this process, and a spreadsheet template as well to speed up product importation. Let's go ahead and download that little template and open it up. Inside, you can see that it's been pre-filled with some sample products over here and their relevant data. Now, you also notice we have asterisks. Now, the asterisks in the header tell us the only fields that an imported product absolutely needs to have in our Odoo database. You can see that with the name and the product type as well. Everything else in the template is an example product you can use to see how your database will read all of your imported spreadsheets. Across the header, you're going to see names for columns that correspond to fields in Odoo. We have track inventory, product values, quantity on hand, etc. You get the idea. You can add or remove columns as needed. Think of these as a starting off point, not mandatory inclusions. So let's actually talk about product values and this column before we move on. This column is used to identify product variants, and you never know with them. Sleeves and size, in this case, are attributes. Long, short, small, medium, and large are all values within those attributes. So there are 5 total variants here. Why is there no polo variant with long sleeves and large? I don't know. That's not my business. Okay, let's go back to our database. Okay, so back over here in our database, let's click that app upload button. Perfect. Okay, that pulls up our computer's file manager, and we're going to select our template, products underscore import template, which now took us to the upload screen. Here, you're going to see the columns from the templates as pre-selected Odoo fields. We can see that with the name over here in product type. Ah, isn't that nice? Now, this is because Odoo has the use first row as header option enabled by default. That means Odoo will match the content of the spreadsheet's first row to the products fields in the database. If you uncheck that box, the page will reload and you'll have to assign each column to a field manually. If you've added custom columns to the template, this is how you'll manually identify them in your database and specify which fields they should align with. But we're trying to avoid manual work, so let's make sure this time around, now that you've seen exactly what I meant, that we recheck the box before moving on. Okay, so everything looks good to me, so we're going to test this out. Boom. So this will check the headers to confirm that they're imported and they're going to import properly. If everything looks good, you're going to see that nice little blue banner that reads, "Everything seems valid." If there are any issues, you'll instead see a red banner that will tell you which columns need attention. Okay, so we've uploaded the template, tested it, and everything seemed valid. Okay, that's good to hear. Let's click our import button over here and finish up. And look at that. We have that nice little pop up over here letting us know everything is good. That notification appears at the top of the screen telling us how many products were successfully uploaded. And we have a product catalog inspired view of our imported records. You might have noticed that there are fewer items in the catalog than there were in the template. That's because each of those polos was created as a variant rather than as a discrete product. Actually, let's talk about that now. It's a good time. Now, as you likely already know, all of the items in an Odoo database have connections to other items. Consider the polos we were talking about earlier. The attributes, size, and sleeves, and the values, small, medium, large, long, short, are all connected in links that the Odoo database calls relations. They are related to the base product, the polo itself. That means when it comes time to import products with variants, the record for the basic product must exist first. If it doesn't, Odoo will automatically create it, even if you don't have variants enabled. And that's it. You've learned where to find the product import template, how to customize the template to your needs, how to upload it, and how product variants work with the template. Good stuff. Until next time, Odooers, remember, you're all very important people to me. Haha. Go grab a snack. I'm still drinking Pepsi. Sponsor me.